and welcome back to Adventures in the Schoolhouse. We're so excited to have you join us again. In partnership with Parenting OC Magazine, we have a fun new craft for you today to do at home with your little learners. This is more, I would say, geared towards the school age kiddos, but lots of fun. So a new year brings, of course, new goal setting and New Year's resolutions. So today we're going to be crafting at home a vision board. It's something that I've been doing at home for years with my own 4 kids, but as well, I incorporate into our curriculum in January for all of my 60 students. So our little learners come to the Little Red Schoolhouse and we brainstorm ideas of ways to be healthier and happier in the new year. So here's just an example of what we're gonna be creating. We're just gonna start with a list. So what I like to encourage kids to do, and you can do that, is this is a family. So you can create a family vision board that you then put somewhere in the house, and it's just kind of a visual aid and a visual reminder. All right, so first we're just gonna start with a simple list. So a piece of paper and a pencil, writing down how you'd like to better yourself in 2022. More time for family. Do we need more time to focus on our mental and physical health? Perhaps meditate, right? Perhaps breathing, learning something new like yoga. Perhaps we need to focus on doing chores and being a helper around the house for mom. So these are just ideas. Everybody's goals and everybody's inspiration or vision board is going to look different, and that's okay. This is all about you and what you want to work on to improve mind, body, health, and wellness for yourself and your family in 2022. So let's get started. First, these are the supplies that we're going to need. A canvas board. So this is just a canvas board that you can buy at Michael's or any craft supply store. You don't have to have canvas. You can just have a poster board or a foam core board, even a piece of construction paper. And we have scrap pieces of paper, so different pieces of paper. You don't even need scissors for this because we're just literally gonna tear the pages. Again, I type these up. You don't have to type them. You can just write them on your poster board, your foam core board, your piece of paper, or your canvas. You can type them up or calligraphy or write them, work on your writing skills and your cursive. You can get clip art just from Vector Images or Google Images. You can go on the web with mom and get clip art. You can cut them out from magazines as well. This one is Be Kind to Your Mind, which I love. You're gonna need Mod Podge or glue and a paintbrush. So let's get started. So I went ahead and poured my Mod Podge into this bowl, and I'm gonna use a paintbrush just for ease and mess. Okay, I've got a napkin here because I'm gonna get pretty sticky. All right, so first I'm going to figure out how I want to lay out my board. Are we going to be portrait, such as this, portrait, hot dog, or are we gonna be landscape, hamburger? So which directionality are we gonna go with our board? Again, you can make a board for each and every one of your kids at home. Make one with them, so they're all customized. They can hang it in their room or above their bed, or you could do a family board, so it's collaborative and you have one board in your kitchen. All right, so I typed this up. This is your year 2, ... So I'm gonna put this in the middle. You don't have to. I'm just gonna go ahead and painting my Mod Podge down on my board. We're gonna go landscape with this guy. And we're gonna put this in the middle here. I picked fun, colorful papers. Obviously, your boys may want to choose, more primary or colors. The girls may want to choose some of these pinks. Anyhow, I tried to pick colors that were just kind of neutral and fun and unisex and happy. So we're just gonna rip paper like this. There's no right or wrong way. I love doing this. Tearing papers to use, and we're gonna layer. So we're gonna glue and layer these. So this one's untorn. This is the bottom, so that's where that's gonna go. So we're gonna go there to match up with the edges. I want to start focusing on some of my themes. So here I have family fun. So perhaps I want to put that in the center, and then I want to describe that. What does family fun look like to me? What does family fun look like to me? So family fun, I've got bike rides, hikes, movie nights, right? Game nights. So we're gonna put some of those images next to family fun with the words that go with them. So such as this, right? All right guys, so we have it here. I think it looks absolutely adorable, and it is very wet, so we have to have it dry. I'm just kind of dabbing it here. We need to wait and let this guy dry, but I love this. So we've got exercise, clip art, we've got try new sports, pray, meditation, be a friend, serve others, and journal, be a role model, make my bed. Family bike rides, family game nights, play, achieve your goals, be creative. So this is my year to do all of these things and more in 2022. And I'm just wishing you a wonderful 2022. Join us on all our adventures in the Little Red Schoolhouse, and we'll see you next time.